The Election Commission of India has imposed a 24-hour campaign ban on West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee from 8 p.m. on Monday to 8 p.m. on April 13 for making highly insinuating and provocative remarks laden with serious potential of breakdown of law and order, thereby adversely affecting the election process. This is perhaps only the second time in electoral history when a sitting chief minister has been faced with a campaign ban. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath was slapped with a 72-hour campaign ban in the 2019 Lok Sabha polls for a hate speech. The ban comes ahead of the fifth phase of West Bengal Assembly elections on April 17. The Commission, in its order, condemned her statements as portent with serious law and order problems across the state and advised her to desist from using such statements while making public utterances during the period when Model Code of Conduct is in force. Whereas, the Commission has carefully considered the matter and is of the considered view that Ms. Mamata Banerjee, who also happens to be the Chief Minister of the state, has in violation of the provisions of Model Code of Conduct as well as Section 123(3) and 3A of the Representation of the People Act, 1951 and Sections 186, 189 and 505 of Indian Penal Code, 1860 made highly insinuating and provocative remarks laden with serious potential of breakdown of law and order and thereby adversely affecting the election process, the Commission said in its order. Now, therefore, the Commission hereby condemns such statements portent with serious law and order problems across the states and sternly warns Ms. Mamata Banerjee and advises her to desist from using such statements while making public utterances during the period when Model Code of Conduct is in force. The Commission also imposes a ban of 24 hours on Ms. Mamata Banerjee from campaigning in any manner from the 8 p.m. of the 12th of April 2021 till 8 p.m. of the 13th of April 2021, the order added. In her response to the campaign ban, Mamata Banerjee said she will stage a sit protest in Kolkata on Tuesday. To protest against the undemocratic and unconstitutional decision of the Election Commission of India, I will sit on dharna tomorrow at Gandhi Murti, Kolkata from 12 noon, she tweeted. West Bengal Assembly elections are being held in 8 phases and 4 of them have been conducted so far. The next phase will be held on April 17 and the last one on April 29. Votes will be counted on May